love you, Mommy. Papa. I told my friend I changed my password.
Have you ever wanted to make baby lip-synced videos like these? Well, in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll learn how to make baby lip-sync videos exactly like this. Let's jump right in. Generate a baby image. First things first, open up Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, no worries at all. There's a link waiting for you down in the description. Once you've got the app open, go ahead and click New Project to get started. Next, head over to the AI image section in the left-hand menu. This is where the magic begins. In the prompt box, just type a short description of the kind of baby image you want. Once that's done, scroll down to the Style section and select Ultra Realism. This will help your baby image look super lifelike and high quality. After that, set your preferred resolution aspect ratio and choose how many versions you want Edimakor to generate for you. Now just hit generate, give it a few seconds, that's it, you've got a stunning, realistic baby image ready to use. Create a lip-synced video. Now that we've got our baby image, it's time to bring it to life. To do that, click on the AI Avatar tab in the left menu. You have a few options here. You can type in your script, upload an audio file, or even record your voice directly. For this tutorial, I've uploaded an audio clip I already had. Once your audio is loaded, scroll down to the avatar appearance section, click the little plus icon, and upload the baby image you just created earlier. Once everything's set up, click generate, and Edimakor will create a lip-synced baby video using your audio. And that's it, your baby avatar is now talking synced perfectly with your voice. How cool is that? Make the baby sing. What's even better? Edimakor can also make it sing. Just click singing photo here and upload your baby image and the music you want it to sing. Then hit generate, and boom, you've got your baby singing video ready with perfect lip sync.
My sweet, sweet Mommy, you make me happy when I am sad. Papa, Papa. I told my friend I changed my password to incorrect. He was like, why? I said, so when I forget it, my computer will say, your password is incorrect.
Isn't that great? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun and easy AI content creation hacks. Got questions? Drop them down in the comments. See you in the next video.